Okay, so in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to do this ladder stitch. Isn't this cool? Yeah, I think it's a very unique stitch. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I am just using a medium 4-weight yarn for this sample, and I'm using a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any yarn, any size hook that you would like to use. So this is going to be a multiple of 6 stitches. So let's go ahead and chain. I just go straight into my chain, which I put my hook underneath my yarn, round it over like this. Okay, and then I chain. So let's chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's do 6 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we will go ahead and do one more set of 6. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Now it's a multiple of 6 plus 1 plus 6 for the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for my sample here, I have a total of 25 chains. And once again, that's a multiple of 6 plus 1 plus 6 for the foundation chain. So on row 1, we are going to work in the 13th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 13. So we're going to make a single crochet in the 13th chain from the hook. Okay, that was a single crochet. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to work another single crochet in that same chain. Okay, and this is what you have right now. Okay, so now we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to skip 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the 6th chain, we're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet, just like we did right here. So let's make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet. There we go. And this is how it looks right now. Okay, so we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to skip 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In our last chain, we are going to make an extended single crochet. And all you do, just insert your hook, grab your yarn, and just kind of pull it up like this, like extend the single crochet. And that's all. Very simple. So here is what your row 1 looks like. Okay, so for row 2, we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to turn our work, and we're going to skip that extended single crochet, and we're going to skip these 5 chains. And in this chain 3, we're going to work a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet. So in that chain 3 spot, work a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then work another single crochet in that same chain 3. So here's what you've got so far. Isn't it looking cool? Okay, so now we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And once again, we're going to work in that chain 3 space again. We're going to work single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then another single crochet. Okay, that's what you got so far. Okay, so for being on the end here, we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we're going to work in the 5th chain. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to make an extended single crochet. Remember how we did that? And we just kind of lift it up or pull it up and then finish out our single crochet. That's what we have so far. So it's row 2. So row 3, so chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're going to, in that chain 3 space, we're going to work a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and work a single crochet. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And once again, in that chain 3 space, we're going to work a single crochet and a chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and a single crochet. Okay, so now we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you have 7 chains. So in the 2nd chain, you're going to make an extended single crochet. Just like that. Okay, now chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Turn your work, and you're just going to keep repeating. You're always going to have a chain 7 on one end, and you're going to do an extended single crochet in the 2nd chain of the chain 7. That's going to be your repeat. So I'll show you one more time. So in the chain 3 space, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet, and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the chain 3 space, do a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work a single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in that 2nd chain, there's 1, 2, you're going to make an extended single crochet. And guys, that's all you do to get this cool ladder look. Look at that. Okay guys, that's all I have for this tutorial. Be sure and check out my other crochet stitches that I have, and I try to put these out weekly for you guys. I hope you enjoy this, and if you feel like it's a little too fast, you can go to your settings and you can hit the speed mode, and you can slow it down a little bit if you need to. All right, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.